Welcome to your online general psychology course for this summer 2 session. I am your professor for this course. My name is Delia Wallace, and I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I want to show you how to navigate the course and talk about what is due for week 1. So you're looking at the homepage of our Canvas course. And if we navigate over into the blue font onto modules, that is what I want you to click on every time you come into my class. What I've done is set up the course by modules. So you'll have this getting started module here, and I'll kind of go through it with you quickly. But from week 1 on, it looks like this. So everything you need for the week is right here in your weekly module. And it's really important that you navigate the course using the Canvas module because for some assignments, you'll go out into what's known as Connect. It's a supplemental program for our course, and it's also where your textbook lives. But not all the assignments are out there. So it's really important that you come back into this Canvas module and use it as your things to do list. So I'm going to start up at the top here and just show you some of the information in the Getting Started module. It's really important that you click on every item in the Getting Started module and get your green checks over here. And that will be consistent throughout this course, that your next module won't open until you've opened everything in the previous module. And that's by design, so that you don't miss something and you don't miss your assignments. So when you click on the first item in the module, it will take you to the page with the information. Read that information, and then you will click Next, and it will take you to the next item in the module, and so forth. So you kind of get the idea there, right? And just kind of click through. So I'm going to show you the bigger view of the module without clicking through everything, just for the ease of time and not to waste your time on my clicks. But you can see in this Getting Started module, it's all information. So it has your student learning outcomes and course module outcomes, your a link to your syllabus, the class schedule, how to navigate the course if you're new to Canvas. There's information in here. If you are well versed in Canvas, you might just want to click right on through that. For your textbook information that's right here, you do not need to buy anything else for this course. So anytime it may accidentally prompt you to pay a fee, there's something wrong, something's not right, email me right away. Screenshots anytime you have a technical issue are so helpful for me, because then I can see exactly what you're seeing on your end and help you troubleshoot that problem a little bit better. Hopefully, right? That's the goal. Hopefully you don't have any problems and everything runs smoothly. So your textbook is included in your tuition fee, so there's no extra purchase here. It will live in Connect. It's an ebook, and I will show you when we get to some week 1 assignments here how to get to that. Another way, in addition to the way that I will show you, is to go right over here to McGraw-Hill Connect. Click on that, and that will help you set up your Connect account and have access to your ebook as well. So some information on that textbook there. Research assignments and so forth. Again, this is just all there to help you better prepare, better comfort and understanding with assignments and so forth. And then, of course, our academic integrity, college etiquette expectations. Some learner support information on SAC campus resources, some information on APA, parking lot if you have any questions. And that brings us to the week 1 module. Excuse me. So after going through the Getting Started module, clicking on everything and using that Next button, that should take you to the week 1 module. And here in the week 1 module, everything you need to do for the week and read for the week is right here, except for the chapter out of your book. But you will have all your assignments, supplemental information, any videos I post, etc., right here in the module. So most of the time, your chapter assignments are due on Sunday of the week that we are covering that chapter. There's a little bit of a differentiation from that And that is these assignments right here, the scavenger hunt quiz, the creating your biosig, the student information questionnaire, and the discussion question on introducing yourself. These are all really, quick, but important assignments. They are due on Wednesday, July 12th. There's nothing you need to read from the book yet. It's not over content of the course. It's really information to help me better know how to serve you as your professor, as well as introducing yourself to the class. And so you'll do that through this discussion assignment, discussion assignments, and you'll have a few more in this course, not this week, but down the road. And those are important to note that your entire class can see what you post only on discussion. This student information questionnaire, that just comes to me. But discussion questions are you're posting your response to the entire class. And for full credit on discussion questions, you need to do your initial response. Then you'll be able to see, not until you post yours, but then you'll be able to see other students' responses. And you need to post on at least 2 classmates' responses to earn full credit on discussion questions. All those directions are in the assignment when you click on them, but I just wanted a chance to let you know that. And so then here is chapter 1, and this is what it will look like when we get into chapters. Again, this first week we had these other assignments just to get our class kicked off. But from here on out, it's really content-oriented assignments. And so chapter 1 is over what is psychology. And this will be very similar to what you'll find throughout my course. You'll have a narrated PowerPoint. Of course, I expect you to read the chapter from your e-textbook. And then you'll have some assignments. And you'll always know if it's an assignment because it has a due date and the amount of points that it's worth. When you click on this first assignment here, it will prompt you to set up your Connect account. So again, earlier I showed you could go over here and set it up, which is totally fine. Or you can go straight from the assignment itself and it will prompt you to get it all set up. Again, no additional fee, already taken care of. If it prompts you for a fee, reach out to me right away. And then so that's a Connect assignment, and then you have a chapter 1 post test. Post tests are quizzes. You'll have one for each of the chapters that we cover this session. And then it goes into chapter 2, and you can see the same consistency, the PowerPoint, the objectives. I need to move that down. I don't know why that shifted on me. Sometimes that happens. But you can see you have all of this information here. 2 more Connect assignments. And then this assignment is not in Connect. It's right here in Canvas. That's why when you go out into Connect to do an assignment, come right back in to Canvas. Canvas is your landing point. Canvas is, I go through, I make sure I did and clicked on everything in here. You're not going to miss anything. If you go out into Connect and complete an assignment and stay out there and not come in, you're likely to do assignments I didn't require, and you're also likely to miss assignments. So Canvas is home. Canvas is where you land. Canvas is our official grade book. Canvas is where you navigate towards. Only do you go out into Connect if you're being sent there from this module, okay? Hope that helps, but reach out to me if you need any clarification. And then chapter 3, and you can see some more. This one you have several Connect assignments, and these aren't long assignments. Most of the time they're 4 questions or 5 questions, and then your quiz is usually 10 to 20 questions. So it looks like a lot. You're covering 3 chapters this week, plus those introduction assignments. I know it's a lot. Remember, you have all week, other than those initial assignments that are due on Wednesday. All these others are due on Sunday, July 16th. Just pace yourself. Do a chapter here, do a chapter there, and then by Sunday, you've done it all. But take a glance at the beginning of the week. Know what you have ahead of you. Make sure you make your time management plan, and I promise you can be very, very successful and get it all done. And that's it for, your for your week 1 module. And then the following week, week 2, which doesn't start till July 17th, we'll move on to chapters 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you can see we move quickly. There's no less content because it's a summer class. It's just condensed into 5 weeks instead of 16 weeks. But it's very, very, very doable. Excuse me. At the beginning of the weeks, this one's a little different since it's our first video, but I will post a video announcement at the beginning of each week or some type of announcement so you know, okay, these are the assignments we're doing this week. This is a writing assignment. These are Connect assignments, which typically almost always are multiple choice, so that you can have a preview of what's coming for the week. The best way to reach out to me is through inbox right here in Canvas. Click on that, send it, go right here. Mine's going to look a little bit different, but select the course we're in and you have access to me right there. My ACES email is on the homepage of our course. I shouldn't have gone out, sorry, all the way out. It's not going to be happy with me. On the homepage of our course, you have, my phone number, my office number. Again, email, the Canvas inbox is the best way. My ACES email, just so that you have it, is on the syllabus, but it is the letter D, strong, STRONG, the number 2, at alamo.edu. And you'll find that in several different places throughout the course as you click through as well. So, welcome to psychology. I hope you love the content that I teach you all about human behavior and mental processes this semester. And if there's anything I can help you with, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Yes, this is a completely 100% online asynchronous course. There's never a check-in that you have to do. There's never a Zoom session or anything like that. It's all at your own pace, as long as you're meeting the deadline, the due dates that I put out there. But that's not to say that I'm not a real person here behind the screen. I'm happy to help you. And so we can do Zoom sessions. We can work back and forth by email, whatever is best for you. So please don't, find yourself struggling with content or understanding an assignment or understanding navigation of the course. I am here to help you. Have a wonderful first week of classes. I can't wait to learn a little bit more about you through your student questionnaire and your introduction that you do for the class. Don't forget to respond to 2 classmates on that discussion question. Have a great week.